Hello loves. Well, I'm casually dressed and I'm so excited to bring you in on this next adventure. So if you live in the DMV area, then you have probably heard that they opened a new Amazon Fresh in Northern Virginia, and I believe they're going to open up one in DC very soon. So today I'm going to take you behind the scenes and we're going to take a look at our very own locally based Amazon Fresh store. And I heard they have these really cool smart carts that link to your Amazon Prime account, and you can scan the barcode with the cart and add items to your cart and check out without ever checking in with the cashier. So let me give you a view of what it looks like, and I'm going to take you in on the inside and we'll see what's happening in this brand new Amazon Fresh. So as you enter into the store, you'll notice this LED TV up above that flashes sales and advertisements. That's one of the first things that greets you when you walk in. And upon entering it, actually just looks like any other grocery store until this smart cart here. Now I logged into the Amazon app on my phone and then connected it to the cart, and then the cart kind of walks you through step by step what you need to do to get started with the shopping process. And it was all fairly simple. Of course, there was a sales support next to me telling me what to do. So you'll see me kind of pushing the cart here. It has a heavier feel. It's very balanced, very weighted, but it does have a very thick, full feeling as you're pushing it. So it feels a little different than freewheeling a wire cart. And then it came preloaded. They just put the bags in for you. And you'll notice there are these lights around it. You notice there's a flash right there. So the sensors pick up the barcode on whatever item you're purchasing. And that's what that flash indicates, that it actually was able to read the barcode. And then throughout the store, there are these cool pillars where you walk up and it says Ask Alexa. Now you can swipe through and use your finger or type up what you're looking for. And you'll see me just kind of testing it out here. And it's a pretty cool feature. It tells you what aisle and what items, and you can tell it what items you need. I did say I was looking for some vegan yogurt because I wanted to be specific and see if it could find that, and it did it. So where can I find sparkling water?
Find sparkling water at aisle 5.
So as you can see, my little sound test was quite effective, and we're moving on through the grocery store. I'm just checking out the aisles. And of course, like any grocery store, you're going to have food items and then non-food items. But what is different about this store is they also sell some of their Amazon products in store. So I headed over to the customer service lady, and she didn't want to be filmed, but I did ask her, like, do you actually stock these items in store, like the Amazon Echo Dot and some of their tablets? And she said yes. You'll notice there's also coffee and baked goods near each other. They have an espresso machine that wasn't working that you saw in the previous clip. So you'll notice throughout the store, there's just a really good blend of both conventional and specialty items, such as maybe some vegan food, some plant-based items. It has a pretty good blend, but you'll also notice with this store being very new, I mean less than 2 weeks open, that they have a lot of empty shelves in the store, throughout the store. And I noticed that they're still stocking those shelves and they're still getting in shipment. So it looks like they're trying to get the store full. So I caught them pretty early. Here we are at checkout time, and it's pretty seamless. You don't really have to interact with anyone. You just roll through that big green landing strip with the arrows on the ground that says checkout. The cart displays your final payment with tax included. It tells you exactly how much it's going to charge you. You grab your bag out of the bag, push the cart up, and someone will come and grab the cart. They are limited in the amount of smart carts that they have. So they take yours, wipe it down, and then prep it for the next customer. And that's it. The whole process was pretty seamless. You don't actually ever need to really interact with anyone. I did take the voluntary survey at the end just to give Amazon some feedback on my experience, but you don't have to do that. I also stepped on over to once I went outside, I went to look at one of the wire carts, and I pulled up on my phone what that barcode was, and it really was just more of the flyer information and what's on sale in the store, and you saw that on the big screen. So my final thoughts. I loved the experience. I like new technology. I like seeing the direction that we're headed. I like the blend of conventional and non-conventional foods and some specialty items. I like that you can check out and do a traditional checkout with help if you need to. I love that you know what the final payment's going to be before you ever leave the store. And so it helps you stay on top of your budget if that's something that's important to you. I do love that. So it's pretty simple and flawless in that way. If you have big grocery hauls, I don't know how this would work for somebody with a huge family who needs a large grocery haul. Also, I'm a little skeptical still about connecting my phone to this cart. How secure is my information? I have some questions. I want to see what this looks like in the long haul. And in the age of digital hackers, I just don't know how secure I feel in this yet, but we'll see where this technology lands us in the long run. So overall, my experience with the Amazon Fresh Store was pretty cool. Will I make it a regular practice? Probably not. At least not yet, until I know more about the process and how secure my information is going to be in the future. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for hanging out and exploring the new Amazon Fresh with me and walking through this experience. I'll see you in the next video. If you have not already, would you please consider liking and subscribing to my channel? I would love your support. I actually desperately need it. Oh, and you'll notice on the screen there's also EV charging. There are 2 charging ports, so there's that. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video, and I thank you so much for hanging out with me, and thank you to all my subscribers who support me in every single way. Love you. Bye.